Hello everyone, I hope you all guys are healthy and safe. Dear students, today we are going to discuss skeletal system, Unit 8 Physical Education of Class 11. Unit 8 is Fundamentals of Anatomy, Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. I already prepared the first video of this unit, which is meaning of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology and their importance. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can watch that video. I have given the link of that video in the description. You can check there. So today we are going to discuss about the skeletal system. In this topic, you will know about the bones of human body and the joints of human body. So let's know about the first skeletal system. What is it? The skeletal system consists of bones and joints, which provides attachment to the movement muscles, skeletal muscles. Okay, skeletal muscles also known as movement muscles. Proper functioning of skeletal system and muscular system improves the efficiency of body. Okay, in order to better understand skeletal system, let's us divide into two parts. For better understanding, we are dividing the skeletal system in two parts. So the first part is axial skeleton and the second part is appendicular skeleton. Now what are these two? Let's know about these all. First is axial skeleton. This skeleton consists of following bones. First is skull, having 22 bones. Okay, sternum 1 bone, ear bone 6, number 4 ribs 24, hyoid bone 1 and vertebra column 26 bones. Okay, it contains 80 bones, means sum of these all the bones is 80. So the second is appendicular skeleton. Okay, this skeleton consists of these bones. First is upper limb, okay, 64 bones and lower limb 62 bones. Upper limb means our two hands. In our both the hands there are 64 bones are there, 32 plus 32, and lower limb 2 legs in which 62 bones are present, 31 plus 31. Okay, so it contains total 126 bones. Total number of bones in human body at the time of birth is 300 and in adults 206. So these are some important points related to this system. Now let's know about little more about the system, different type of bones and the joints. Now classification of bones. Okay, now let's know different type of bones. So the first is long bones. Okay, they are long and wide. They act as lever. Okay, they act as lever in human body. They are found in arms and legs like femur and humerus bones. Okay, femur is the longest and strongest bone of human body, is found on thigh. Okay, and the humerus is also a long bone which is found in our arm. Okay, on your hand. So the next is short bone. What is short bone? They are short in size and cube shaped. Okay, they are short in size and cube shaped. They are found in wrist and phalanges. Okay, so this is long bone, short bone. There are some other types also. Next is flat bones. What are flat bones? Flat bones have broad surface. Okay, the flat bones have broad surface. They mostly protect our organs and give attachment to muscles like sternum, scapula, etc. Okay, what they used to do? They used to protect our organs and give attachment to the muscles. Okay, the next is irregular bones. What are irregular bones? These bones have irregular shape like vertebra, skull, etc. What is irregular bone? The irregular bones are which have irregular shape. Okay, their examples are vertebra and skull bones, and there are other bones also. So this is irregular bone. Next is sesamoid bone. Okay, these bones are embedded in tendons. Okay, these type of bones are embedded in tendons. They hold the tendons like patella. Okay, they hold the tendons. The example of this bone is patella. The next is cartilaginous bone. What are cartilaginous bones now? This type of bones are flexible and soft. The cartilaginous bones are flexible and soft also. They are found in ear and nose. Okay, this type of bones, cartilaginous bones, are found in the ear and the nose. So these are the types of bones, or we can say classification of bones. Now let's know about the joints. Now let's know about the joints and its types. What are the joints and what its types? So joint, it is the place where two or more bones meet or join. Okay, this is called joint. Joints are of three types. In human body there are three types of joints found. So which are these? Let's know one by one. So the first is immovable or fibrous joint. Okay, they are also known as fixed joints. Okay, immovable or fibrous joints are also known as fixed joint. Bones are jointed together and no movement in possible, like skull joints. In these type of joints there is no movement. They are fixed with each other in that way, they cannot move. Okay, so these are immovable or fibrous joints, which are also known as the fixed bone. This is first type. Now let's know there are two more types. Let's know about these two. Number 2 is slightly movable or cartilaginous joints. Which are these? In these joints there is slight movement like intervertebration. Okay, so in the slightly movable or cartilaginous joint there is slightly movements, means not too much, not too less. Okay, so the next number 3 is freely movable or synovial joints. Which are these joints can move to great extent. Okay, these are the joints which can move to the great extent. These are covered by thin membrane and filled with synovial fluid. Okay, we can say with the help of these joints we are able to move our different parts of body like hands, legs, knee and all. So let's know a little more about it. So now let's know about the functions of skeletal system, or we can say the importance of skeletal system. So the first is support. It provides supporting framework to the body. Okay. Next is shape. Provides shape and structure. Bones and joints are provides the shape and structure to the body. Next is protection. Bone protects the internal organs. As you know, the internal organs are very sharp. They need protection. The bone provides them protection. Okay. So the next is junction. Provides junction or attachment to skeleton. Next is storehouse. The bones are the storehouse of different type of minerals which are very important for our body. It also stores fat, okay, which provides energy to the body. So it works as a storehouse also. So the next is manufacture of RBC. Okay, the bones manufactures RBC, red blood cells, which is very important component of blood. Okay, the next is act as lever, provides movement of muscles and body. Okay, muscles in body. What the bones and the joints are act as a lever, which with the help of the bones and joints we can make our balance and all. Okay, so the next is movement. Gives movement to the body. With the help of joints and bones we can move our body. So these are the functions or importance of the skeletal system. So I hope you understood about the skeletal system. This is all about the skeletal system. So that's all for today. Thank you. Be happy, be healthy.